As I said just now, if our condition is not true, what we have to do, what course of action we have to do. That is what is given with the if and the else. If the given condition or the expression is true, then statement set 1 will be executed. That means the statements which are given immediately after the if will be executed. Okay, and if the given condition is false, the statements which are given after the else will be executed. Else means if not. I hope you understood. So we are thinking about only two choices. What is that? One is, if the condition is true, what we have to do. Otherwise, if the condition is false, what we have to do. That is given with the if and the else. As I said previously, the statement 1 can be a single statement or a block of statements. Else also can be a single statement or a block of statements. Let us see with the help of another example. What is that? To read a number and check whether it is positive or negative. Two options. So let us see. Import will be there as usual. Class with the class name. We are given int n, void main, scanner class. Then we give the condition statement what we did earlier. Sorry, we have to input the number. Give the statement for that. SOPLN, enter number. N is equal to SC dot. Next, it. Now we give if N is greater than 0, SOPLN number is positive. And if the N is not greater than 0, what we have to do will be given after the else statement. What do we give? SOPLN, the number is negative. Main closed, class closed. Remember, we are taking only two possibilities, either positive or negative. We are not considering about the 0. The possibility of 0 is not considered in this one. So let us see what is the execution. We gave the n as 3 here. 3 greater than 0. Condition is true. Message is coming as positive. Else part will not work. When the condition is true, the true part is executed. That time the else part will not execute. So that is the nature of the if-else statement. Either the true part or the false part only will be executed. That is why we call it as a selection statement. Out of these entire statements, depending upon the value of the n, either this part or the else part is executed. I hope it is clear. This is why we call it as selection statement. Okay, now we will give another value for this number. We are assuming that the value entered by the user is -1. Is -1 greater than 0? No. Condition is false. So we will come to the else part. What will be the output? It will print as negative because the given condition is not true. When the condition is not true, else part will be executed. So the message is coming as negative. Again you see, out of these two set of statements, you can see that any one of the set is selected. Okay, now suppose somebody gave 0. The input is given as 0 here. Is 0 greater than 0? No. 0 is definitely equal to 0, but 0 is not greater than 0. This condition is not true. Now what will happen? Else it will print as negative. Is it okay? When 0 is given, we are getting the output as negative. It is not okay. Since it is not okay, we have the third option. We have to go for more checkings. Then we will go with if, else, etc. If, else ladder. We will give more than one and the if and the else, if, etc. combination, which is also known as the if else ladder. So let us go for that kind of a program in the coming exam. Please see this one. Try to run in your computer. See, just now I said we have multiple cases. More options are there. More choices are there. Then we should go for if, else if, etc. Any number of times you can go. Now I will show that case, the previous one, what I said. The user is giving a 0. How do we get the output as 0? Let's see. Import will be there as usual. Class so and so. Int n void main. Then we are giving the scanner class. Scanner SOC is equal to new scanner with the so and so system.in. We write giving the message SOPLN, enter number, n is equal to SC dot. Next it, as we did previously, if n is greater than 0, no doubt we will print it as SOPLN positive. First condition what we saw already. Else if n is less than 0, then we will say SOPLN negative. So both the possibilities are given. You can give else and if with a space, or in a new line, else in one line, and the next if in another line. Okay. So and the third one option, else we will say SOPLN 0. That means when we have more choices, we will write if with one condition, else with the if with another condition, then so and so, else with the last choice if it is so. If we have more, then we write else if so and so, else if so and so, else if, etc. You can continue. So I think it is clear. So we saw simple if and else, if, else if, etc. So please go through the exercises, try to solve it in your computer, and in case of any doubt, please write in your comments. I will reply. Now I will give you few homeworks. Please solve it yourself. I know most of you are able to do, but those who are finding the difficulty also have to do it right now without ignoring, because we have no time, and definitely you have to study all these portions, and definitely these all portions will help you in the future. So please write a program to input a number and check whether it is even or odd. Write a program to input a number and check whether it is even or odd. Suppose someone want to give the solution and I have to check. Please write the solution, copy and paste in the comments area, and I will give you the reply. Not getting any programs output, list the entire program in the comments area. Definitely I will check and tell you what output is there. But your name should be name, class and the section should be clearly noted. Okay, then only I can say the answer, because we have to know the thing. Next question. Read two numbers and check whether the second number is the factor of the first one. To read two numbers and check whether the second number is the factor of the first one. Third program, to read two numbers and print the big. And again, fourth one, to read three numbers and print the biggest. Please write all the programs by using if, else only, because conditional operator related programs we already solved and you understood. Conditional operator is bit complicated, difficult to understand, and the if else is the simplest one. So you may follow the programs now by using if else, unless and until it is specified to write by using the conditional or conditional operator. You need not go for that. You directly solve it by using the if else statements. Okay, please solve all these programs when you see this video, and then ask me any kind of doubt, whatever you have. Okay, thank you.